So friends, welcome to my channel. If you guys facing this problem in your Valorant game, could not enter matchmaking error problem, so guys you can watch this video till end because I am showing in this video why this problem is coming and what is the solution of this problem. So guys you can watch this video till end, and if you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. So guys, before going on solution, you can watch this graph. The red line is at the up. It means today in Valorant game many people facing the error of matchmaking. Yes guys, you are not only one, many people facing the problem in Valorant game today. Yes guys, today Valorant game servers is down right now, and this is the reason why you have facing this problem. So guys, what you have to do to solve this problem? So guys, this is the server issue. So guys, you have to wait for some minute or an hour because this is the server issue, and the Valorant game team is working on fixing the servers of the Valorant game and trying to fixing the problem of matchmaking. So guys, it may take some minute or an hour. So guys, you have to wait for some minute or an hour, and after some minute or an hour, this problem is automatically solved by Valorant game team. You don't need to do anything. But guys, if you guys having any other problem, you can comment me and I'm trying to solve your problem. So guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. Thanks for watching.